Your injury didn't happen the day that you got hurt. It happened months before, maybe even years before. And every coach, every physio, every program that you have followed missed it. Not because of lack of trying on their part, but because they were looking at the wrong thing entirely. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what's actually causing your injuries and why the advice that you've been given is designed to treat the moment, not the cause. Think about the last time that you got hurt. Was it really an accident, or was it a movement that your body should have been able to handle but couldn't? A simple step, a reach overhead, a rotation that you didn't even choose. Because if it is the second one, the injury was already written. Every joint in your body has a full range of motion. Most training lives in the middle of it. The safe, the comfortable, the predictable positions wrapped up in cotton wool. And over time, the edges of that range get abandoned. So the tissue there becomes unstable, underloaded, and undertrained, completely unprepared. So when something demands that range, the body has nothing to give. No strength, no control, no stability, no resilience. And that's not a freak accident. That is a predictable outcome of how most people train. So let's talk about why mainstream advice makes this worse. What does the fitness industry tell you? It tells you to rest more, to stretch more, don't push too hard. But here is the problem with that. Passive stretching doesn't build resilient tissue. You can sit in a stretch for an hour and your joints will not be more capable of handling load in that range. Because flexibility without strength is an injury waiting to happen. You are tricking yourself into thinking that you are progressing if you are measuring that progress by getting more range in a stretch. And your nervous system knows it, which is why it shuts down the moment that real demand arrives. And rest? Well, rest preserves your current capacity at best. If your capacity is already limited, rest just preserves the limitation. The physio gives you a TheraBand, the coach says warm up better, the trainer says recover more. None of them are addressing the actual gap. So let's dive into what actually works. End range strength training. Taking a joint through its full range, complete range, and loading it there. This is not comfortable, this is not easy, this is not your typical grab your foot and touch your butt with that type of quad stretch. This is building strength through the entire range of your capability. Ranges that you probably haven't accessed in years. Ranges that your body forgot that it is even capable of. But this is exactly what builds tissue that doesn't break. These aren't accessories, they are the foundation if your goal is a body that actually holds up. A deep squat isn't a warm-up drill. A passive hang is not just a stretch. These are end-range positions being loaded systematically with intention, and that is what your training is missing. So you don't need better recovery, you don't need more rest days. You need a body that doesn't break down in the first place. And that begins with training the ranges that you have been avoiding. So if this triggered something for you, then share it with someone stuck in the same injury cycle, and let's work on this together. Everything I teach around this is inside of the Movesmethod toolkit. The link is below. I want you to go away today, think about your own training, think about how you can implement some of these things we've talked about, practice them for the next few weeks, and I'll see you in the next video.